In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the right rear door latch for the Ford Fusion 2013 to 2016. The right rear door latch. Tools needed for installing the right rear door latch. Small torque wrench. Small ratcheting wrench. Small trim panel pry tool. Large trim panel pry tool. Small spinner handle. Small flathead screwdriver. Small 10mm long socket. Small 7mm short socket. Small 5.5mm short socket. Small T30 Torx socket. Small T25 Torx socket. Using the trim panel pry tool, remove the inner door trim cover. Using the same tool, remove the power window switch bezel. And unplug the connector. Remove this retaining bolt using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 10mm long socket. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 6mm socket. Remove the bolts here. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 5.5mm short socket. Remove the two lower door panel retaining bolts. Using the large trim panel pry tool, pry the door panel off and remove it. Remove the door latch cable connector. Unplug the gray courtesy light harness connector. Unplug the door latch electrical connector. Unplug the speaker connector. Using the trim panel pry tool, pry out this plug. Using the small spinner handle with the T25 Torx socket, remove the exterior door handle retaining bolt and remove the door handle. Using the flathead screwdriver, release the connector and remove the door handle. Remove the exterior door handle trim cover. Peel back the dust seal. Roll the rear window glass up. Disengage the door latch cable. Unplug the door latch connector. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 10mm long socket, remove the door latch retaining bolts. Continue to remove the door latch retaining bolts. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and T30 Torx socket, remove these 3-door latch retaining bolts. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and T30 Torx socket, here's the retaining bolt from outside the door handle. Remove the door latch motor assembly. Now separate the latch from the latch bracket. We use the small spinner handle with T25 Torx socket, small flathead screwdriver, and small ratcheting wrench. Using the small flathead screwdriver, remove the cable cover plate. And disconnect the cable. Remove the cable retaining clip from this side. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and T25 Torx socket, remove the latch retaining bolts. It's one here and one here. Separate the latch bracket from the door latch. Here's the comparison of old versus new latch. This is the new one, while this is the old one. Install the new latch onto the bracket. Install the retaining bolts. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and T25 Torx socket, secure the retaining bolts. Reinstall the cables. Install them back into their original positions. And install the cable cover plate. This is what it looks like after installation. Install the latch assembly back into the door. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and T30 Torx socket, install the 3 retaining bolts. Using the torque wrench, torque the 3 retaining bolts. Torque specific 10 Newton meters, 7 foot-pounds. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 10 millimeter long socket, secure the latch bracket. Using the torque wrench, torque these 2 bolts. Torque specific 10 Newton meters, 7 foot-pounds. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and T30 Torx socket, install the exterior door handle retaining bolt. Using the torque wrench and T30 Torx socket, torque the exterior door handle retaining bolt. Torque specific 10 Newton meters, 7 foot-pounds. Plug the connector back into the motor. Route the cable through the hole. and reinstall the dust seal. Pull the door handle connector out through the handle opening. Reinstall the door handle connector. And install the door handle. Reinstall the exterior door handle trim cover. Using the spinner handle with the T25 Torx socket, reach in through this hole and tighten the retaining bolt. Reinstall the dust seal onto the original position. Now reinstall the door panel. Plug in the speaker connector. Plug in the door latch connector. Reinstall the door panel courtesy light harness. Reinstall the door latch cable connector. Pull the window switch harness out to the exterior. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 5.5mm short socket, install these two upper door panel retaining bolts. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 7mm short socket, install the two retaining bolts at the door handle. Using the small ratcheting wrench and spinner handle and 10mm long socket, install the door handle retaining bolt. Plug the window switch connector back in and reinstall the switch panel into position. Reinstall the inner door trim cover. Reinstall the plug. Right rear door latch installation is complete.